How to type this symbol in laptop keyboard on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. This symbol is widely used around the globe, and for some reason some don't know how to type it. In this video I'm going to show you a quick way on how to type these two symbols. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. To type the first one, I'm going to type something like D1, which is all in caps. After having this type, I'm going to long press on my Alt key and then press on X. So this will automatically change this sign to this. In order for me to type the other one, all I have to do is to continue to tap on F1. Then I'm going to press and hold on my Alt key and then type on X. So this will give me this short one. That's how simple it is. For those who are not using Windows, all you have to do is to come to the search button, and among the search results, make sure to type character map and then click the one with this best match. After selecting it, when you scroll down, you can see this symbol there, and then you can continue to click on select. After this is selected, you can continue to tap on copy. Now that we have this copied, when you come down here and then continue to right click on your mouse and then continue to tap on paste, this will make sure this symbol is pasted there. And for the second one, when we have to type it, all you have to do is to come back to the character map again in our search button, and then make sure to select the one with this best match. After that, I'm going to scroll down a bit and locate this character, and then I'm going to click on select, then click on copy. Then after that, I'm going to come back to my Word document again and then right click and make sure I paste it there. That's how simple it is. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.